Hello, friends. How are you? So, today we will learn about a topic known as laws of constant exponent for real numbers. Okay, so here the whole video is about right now, for as of now, learning four rules. The first law of exponent is if A and B are any positive real numbers. Okay, if A and B are any positive real numbers and M and N are the rational numbers. So we are going to apply the four laws over here, which we will keep in mind. First, A raised to M multiplied by A raised to N. Second is A raised to M divided by A raised to N. Third one is A raised to M multiplied by N. And fourth one is AB raised to M. Okay. So first law says A raised to M multiplied by A raised to N. That means our A is a number, a real number. Let us say for in our case, we are taking this as let A be 4. Okay. So I'm taking let A as 4 and M and N are my rational numbers. What are those? These are my rational numbers. So for me, I'm taking my M as 1 by 2 and my N is equals to 3 by 2. Okay. Taking these numbers as in for our example, let's start with an example explaining this first law. Okay. So our law says A raised to M. That means 4 raised to 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 raised to 3 by 2. Now you need to remember one thing, that this multiplication means your exponents, your powers will get added. Whenever there is multiplication sign between your base numbers, your exponent or your powers will get added. Same way, if there is any divided number or division sign between our bases, that means their exponent will get subtracted. So for now, my base is equal. So I will write 4 raised to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Now, as you can see over here, both my denominators are same. So there is no need of saving our denominators. It's already same. So your answer will be 4 raised to 1 plus 3 gives you 4 raised to 4 by 2. Now 2 times 2 gives you 4. That means your answer will be 4 raised to 2. That means 4 square and 4 fours gives you 16. So your answer will be 16. Clear? Again, we are given over here A raised to M multiplied by A raised to N, and our formula or our law say that A raised to M plus N, where M and N are our rational numbers. Okay. So when you are multiplying, whenever you see any multiplication sign over the basis, same basis, your exponent will get added. Moving on to our second topic. Second topic says A raised to M divided by A raised to N. And it says A raised to M minus N. Okay. Minus, as you can see over here, our rational numbers are getting subtracted. So taking the same example again, I am taking let my A is equal to 3 and my M equals to 1 by 2 and my N is equals to 1 by 3. Okay. I am taking my M as 1 by 2 and N as 1 by 3. So substituting the decided value in our formula, A means 3, so 3 raised to 1 by 2 by 3 raised to 1 by 3. Now as I have both the base same, I can write this as 3 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now you can notice over here, my both the denominators are different. That means they are not having same base. They are not same. So what should you do? We should first of all try to make our denominator same. How can you do so? It's 2 times 3 also gives you 6 and 3 times 2 also gives you 6. So 2 will get multiplied by 3 and 3 will get multiplied by 2. Now, whenever you are doing any kind of multiplication, you should keep in mind whatever goes in denominator should also go in numerator as well. So, 3 will be multiplied over here and 2 will get multiplied over here. So, our answer says 3 raised to 3 times 1 gives you 3 minus 2 times 1 gives you 2 upon 3 twos are 6. So your answer will be 3 raised to 3 minus 2 gives you 1 by 6. So your answer will be 3 power 1 by 6. The same example is having another case as well. In our case, we have taken 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, in which 1 by 2 is larger than 1 by 3. So we got the answer in such format, 3 raised to 1 by 6. Now, what is the condition when your n is greater than your m? So let's see that example. We are taking same numbers, that a is equals to 3 and m equals to 1 by 2. Let's take reciprocal it. Let's take m as 1 by 3 and n as 1 by 2. Now, 3 raised to 1 by 3 upon 3 raised to 1 by 2. Again, following the same method, you are having the same base, so you will write 3 as it is, and your answer will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. As you can see over here, denominators are different. So first step will be to same the denominator. So 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. And whatever you do in denominator should be same replicated in your numerators as well. So 3 goes over here and 2 goes over here. So the answer will be 3 raised to 2 times 1 gives you 2 minus 3 times 1 gives you 3 upon 6. Now, as you can see over here, it's 2 minus 3. That means smaller number is getting subtracted from the larger number. So, you can write over here 3 raised to minus 1 by 6. If you don't want to consider this minus sign, you can write this exponent in this format as well. 1 upon 3 raised to 1 by 6. When you write in such format, your negative signs disappear. So, whenever your case is n greater than m, you will get your answer in negative. When your case is m greater than n, your answer will be positive case. Okay. And the third condition is where suppose m is equals to n. When your m will be equal to n, your answer will be always 1. What will be your answer? When your m is equals to n, your answer will always be equal to 1. Okay. Moving on to a third topic and third law. A raised to m times n gives you mn. Okay. See, for example, I'm taking my a as 2, my m as 3, and my n as 4. How can you prove this rule? So I'm substituting my value over here. 2 times 3, 2 cube times, what is your n? It's 4. Okay. Same way, we can follow over here 2 raised to 3 times 4. So, in this case, 3 fours are 12. So, you will get your answer 2 raised to 12. Same way here also, 3 times 4 gives you 12. So, this is proved. And the last one is, if we are having A and B different bases, then your rational number will be given to both of them. Suppose your A is equals to 6 and your B is equals to 7. So applying, and my take as of now, my m is equals to 1 by 7. So take a raised to m, that means 6 raised to 1 by 7 times 7 raised to 1 by 7 will be your answer, following the law of exponent. For this case, I have taken my m and s as a real number. We can also take m as rational number like 1 by 3 and n as my rational number 1 by 4 as well. Okay, now substituting that value, I will get again 2 raised to 1 by 3 times 1 by 4 should be equals to 2 raised to 1 by 3 times 1 by 4. As I said earlier, 2 raised to, this bracket means your multiplication. 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 4, that means 3 fours are 12. So your answer will be 2 raised to 1 by 12. Same way, if you are solving this side in your RHS, 1 by 12. Okay. Thank you so much. Remaining laws will be covered in our next part. Thank you so much for joining.